How to fix your PC could not start properly, the blue screen error. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Encountering a blue screen error on PC can be frustrating. Sometimes you can just troubleshoot such as restarting your computer again, checking for the hardware issues, scanning for malware, or restoring the system. But one of the best tricks to solve this issue would be booting into the safe mode. If you are getting such screen, just tap on the startup file or shift plus the power button in order to open the advanced option. After that, you will land to another page from where select startup settings. From here, select on the fourth option, which is F4 key, to enable the safe mode. This will restart your computer and allow computer to start with minimal drivers and software. This can help to identify if a third-party program or driver is causing the issue. After the opening with the safe mode or booting with the safe mode, you can restart your computer once and the issue should probably be fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.